begin, collect your equipment and ingredients. You will need a muffin tray and 12 cake cases, a wooden spoon, teaspoon and tablespoon, a mixing bowl and small saucepan, around 300 ml of water for your saucepan depending on its size, 200 grams of milk chocolate, 80 grams of shredded wheat, some chocolate eggs of your choice, 2 tablespoons of golden syrup and 50 grams of butter. The syrup and butter are optional. Now you're ready to make your cakes. Firstly, pour the water into the saucepan and heat on a low to medium heat setting. Whilst the water is heating, break the chocolate into small pieces to help it melt quicker. Don't pinch the chocolate. When the water is simmering, put the mixing bowl on top of the saucepan, making sure that the bowl isn't touching the water. Add the chocolate, butter and syrup to the bowl. And then you can mix it with a wooden spoon. Now, like I said when I was listing the ingredients, the syrup and butter are optional. I use them as it stops the cakes going rock hard and they taste delicious. And give them a mix, and this will help them melt. Whilst they are melting, you can break up your shredded wheat using your fingertips. The big shredded wheats, all the bite-sized ones are fine to use. Then, once the chocolate, butter and syrup are smooth and have melted, carefully take the bowl off the heat using oven gloves. The bowl will be very hot. Add the shredded wheat to the chocolate mixture and mix thoroughly until all of the shredded wheat is coated in chocolate. You can use your wooden spoon to help break up the shredded wheat even more here too. And here's your nest mixture. Next, use your spoon to evenly divide the mixture into your 12 cases. Use the back of your spoon to press in the middle of the nest mixture to create a dent that will hold your chocolate eggs securely. And now it's time to put your chocolate eggs into the nests. We are using 2 mini eggs on each cake, but the number of eggs you use is up to you and they don't have to be the same. You could have 1 in one, 3 in another. Then put the cakes in the fridge to cool and harden for an hour. We just left them in the tin and put them in the fridge in the tin. Then, of course, enjoy your Easter treat. Thanks for watching. Happy Easter.